To start or stop Bluetooth support service in Windows 10 Home, right-click on the Start menu icon and then select Computer Management. Click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu and then select Services. And then right-click on Bluetooth support service. And then tap Start to start service or tap Stop. Click or tap Stop to stop. Select Start to start or select Stop to stop. The Bluetooth service supports discovery and association of remote Bluetooth device. Stopping or disabling this service may cause already installed Bluetooth device to fail to operate properly and prevent new device from being discovered or associated. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.